Matapos aminin ni Bea Alonzo at Vincent Co ang kanilang relasyon, unti-unti nang nakikita ang businessman na kasama ng aktres sa mga public events. Nitong huli, isang malaking hakbang ang naganap. Nakita natin si Vincent, hindi lang kasama si Bea, kundi welcome na welcome sa kanyang mga tagahanga at showbiz celebrity friends.
Hello community. Welcome back to our channel. With their relationship now out in the open, Pure Gold Air Vincent Co and Bea Alonzo seem more at ease stepping into the spotlight together. From previously keeping things private to now attending big events as a couple, we're seeing more and more of their love story unfold in public. Just recently, the couple attended the Super Divas concert at the Smart Araneta Coliseum, a major music event headlined by Vice Ganda and Regine Velasquez. Their arrival immediately drew the attention of fans, with some following them around the venue in hopes of catching a closer look. A video of Bea and Vincent walking quietly side by side has since circulated online, offering a rare and genuine glimpse into their relationship. Though they remain low-key, the couple handled the spotlight with grace, not turning away from fans, but instead enjoying the moment. One highlight of the night came when veteran actress and media executive Charo Santosconcio bumped into Bea and Vincent. Charo later shared the encounter on Instagram stories, posting a warm photo of herself with the couple. Along with the snap, she wrote a heartfelt caption about meeting the lovely couple. This simple yet sweet moment gave fans another reason to gush over Bea and Vincent's blossoming romance.
Kilala si Vincent Co bilang isang pribadong tao, at mas nakatutok sa mundo ng negosyo, pero unti-unti na rin siyang nasasanay sa buhay na kaakibat ng pakikipagrelasyon sa isang malaking personalidad sa showbiz. Marami ang naniniwala na dahil sa matindi niyang pagmamahal kay Bea Alonzo, mas madali para sa kanya na makibagay sa mundo nito. Mapa-concert man, malalaking public events, o simpleng pagsama sa barkada ni Bea, bakas ang tahimik pero matatag na kumpiyansa ni Vincent na bagay sa natural na karisma ng aktres. Masaya rin ang mga fans para kay Bea dahil tila nakatagpo siya ng lalaking kamatch niya sa maraming aspeto, mula sa personal na paniniwala hanggang sa profesional na pananaw sa buhay. Sa mga huli nilang public appearances, makikita na kahit pinapahalagahan nila ang kanilang pribadong buhay, hindi sila natatakot na ibahagi sa publiko ang ilang bahagi ng kanilang journey bilang magkasintahan. At habang mas nagiging visible si Vincent sa mundo ni Bea, isang bagay ang malinaw, nagsisimula pa lang ang love story na ito, at todo suporta ang publiko sa bawat kabanata nito. Mukhang mas lalong umiinit ang pagmamahalan ni Bea at Vincent, at kitang-kita na handa silang harapin ang spotlight ng magkasama.
So, to all fans out there, do you think Vincent Co is the perfect match for Bea Alonzo? Tell us what you think in the comments below. We want to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching. Keep it here for the latest updates in fashion, pageantry, showbiz, and everything in between. Remember to embrace your uniqueness and strive for greatness. This is Shale.
And this is Del.
Of Shale Del Entertainment.